Navan Inc., formerly known as Trip Actions and founded in 2015 by CEO Ariel Cohen and CTO Elon Twig in Palo Alto, California, stands as a transformative force in the corporate travel, expense management, and payments ecosystem, empowering over 10,000 active customers, including giants like Zoom and Lyft, with an all-in-one AI-driven platform that seamlessly integrates travel bookings, real-time expense tracking, automated reimbursements, and policy enforcement to slash administrative burdens and unlock substantial cost savings for modern enterprises navigating a post-pandemic world of hybrid work and global mobility. Its highly anticipated initial public offering, IPO, a beacon amid the resurgence of tech listings in 2025, was unveiled through an S-1/A filing on October 10, 2025, amid a U.S. government shutdown that tested market resilience, proposing the sale of 36.92 million shares at a price band of $24 to $26 per share, face value $1. Comprising 30 million primary shares to raise approximately $750 million at the midpoint for operational scaling, innovation, and global expansion, plus 6.92 million secondary shares from insiders, potentially netting up to $960 million overall, and debuting on NASDAQ under the ticker NAVN around October 31, 2025, with Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, Jefferies, Mizuho, and Morgan Stanley as lead bookrunners, targeting a fully diluted valuation of up to $6.45 billion, a pragmatic 30% haircut from its $9.2 billion peak in a 2022 Series G round, reflecting prudent adaptation to evolving investor appetites in a volatile landscape. Navan's business model masterfully fuses end-to-end digitization with predictive analytics and machine learning to disrupt legacy players like Expensify, Oracle, and SAP, offering a unified app for itinerary management, virtual cards, and compliance tools that drives gross booking volumes exceeding $20 billion annually, while monetizing through subscription tiers, transaction fees, and value-added services like 24/7 concierge support, all sustained by a global footprint across 100-plus countries and strategic pivots into adjacent sectors such as corporate payments, bolstered by over $1.5 billion in venture backing from luminaries including Andreessen Horowitz, Lightspeed Venture Partners, Coatue, and Z Ventures, though it contends with risks like forex fluctuations, regulatory scrutiny, and competitive intensification in a rebounding travel market. Financially, Navan showcases robust trajectory, with trailing 12-month revenue rocketing 32% to $613 million as of July 31, 2025, up from $402 million in fiscal year 2024. Alongside a narrowing net loss of $188.5 million, down 45% year-over-year from $332 million, fueled by 29% quarterly growth to $172 million in Q2 2025 and projections nearing $1 billion annually by year-end, yet underscoring persistent investments in R&D and customer acquisition that temper EBITDA margins amid a $38.6 million quarterly deficit, with a fortified balance sheet of $1.2 billion in cash reserves, positioning it for sustained scalability. Peering ahead, Navan's horizon gleams with explosive potential amid a corporate travel sector poised for 12 to 15% CAGR through 2030, propelled by AI enhancements for personalized itineraries, deeper integrations with ERP systems, and forays into emerging markets like Asia-Pacific, while leveraging tailwinds from East visa policies and sustainability mandates to target profitability by 2026, 25% revenue acceleration, and a commanding 20% market share, all while mitigating headwinds from economic cycles and data privacy mandates to evolve into the indispensable backbone of enterprise mobility. At the helm, a visionary board fuses Cohen's serial entrepreneurial acumen, honed at founding multiple unicorns, with Twig's technical prowess in scalable architectures, augmented by independent directors from fintech and travel veterans, ensuring agile governance and ethical innovation. As a venture-forged powerhouse with no single dominant promoter, but a diversified cap table anchored by top-tier VCs, Navan embodies Silicon Valley's relentless pursuit of disruption, recently navigating a quiet May 2025 secondary at a $21 per share down round to affirm stakeholder alignment amid macroeconomic pressures. Though unrated publicly, its blue-chip backers and trajectory suggest investment-grade appeal, with a lean workforce of 2,900+ driving ESG-aligned initiatives like carbon offset programs and diverse hiring. Navan invites discerning investors to seize this IPO as a gateway to the trillion-dollar travel renaissance, advising measured allocation for long-term compounding drawn from authoritative filings, CNBC, TechCrunch, and Reuters for a narrative of audacious ambition and tangible momentum.